So first search for Python, download, and click on very first link. Okay. So here click on download Python 3.11.4. Okay. Whenever you click on it, it's going to download one exe file. Okay. I already downloaded it. So if you see after downloading it, you can see that under downloads tab. Okay. It will be there. Then copy it. Okay guys, so whenever you download it, it will be under downloads folder. Okay, just copy that one. Like for example, I downloaded Visual Studio. No, in the same way there will be Python. Okay, so you can copy it and place that under D drive. Create one folder here. Okay, like Control F. Sorry, Control. Create softwares. Okay, under the softwares you can keep that python exe file. I will show you how it will be. So if you see here, this is the one, python 3.11.4. This one, this will be the downloaded file. Okay, you can paste it under your softwares folder. Okay, see, it got copied. Once after copying from downloads to this D drive, give right click on it. Second, it's loading. Click on run as administrator. Okay, and whenever you click on it, you are going to get one pop-up, and that you can see two options, yes or no. Click on yes. Okay, yeah, see, install now. I'm going to click on install now. Okay, so here you can do one thing, add python.exe to path. If you won't enable this option, again we need to add the Python path manually to the environment variables. Instead of that, you can enable checkbox here so that it will add that path automatically to that environment variables. Okay, again we no need to do that. Then click on install now. So it will install all the required files, packages, everything. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Setup was successful. Now you can close it. So Python installation is done. We need one more software, that is Visual Studio Code, code editor. Okay. So with that, we are going to do the programs and all. So search for Visual Studio Code, download. Okay. So click on very first link. Here we can see Visual Studio Code for Windows, for Linux, for Mac. All our systems are Windows, right? So click on this Windows one. Okay. Same. Again, it's going to download one execution file. Okay. See, you can see here it's in progress. It's downloading. Yeah. The download is complete. Same. Again, I need to go to download tabs. Here, see, it got installed. Okay. Just copy it, or you can cut it Control X and paste it under D drive under softwares. Okay. Now same. Give right click on it. So click on run as administrator. Okay. I already have Visual Studio Code and my system. Okay. So it won't install for me, but here, okay, no need, nothing else you required. Whenever you click on run as administrator, it will ask for you to click on next up to complete the install and finish. Okay. Or else let me do one thing. Let me uninstall Visual Studio Code and install again. Okay, it got uninstalled already. Now see, right click on it, click on run as administrator. Same again, it's going to give you one pop-up. Click on S. This is user installer is not to be run as administrator. Installer while users in the system, download the system installer. Just to want to continue. Okay. Okay, here you should accept the agreement. Okay, license agreement you should accept. Click on I accept the agreement, then click on next, click on next, click on next, and here just enable this create a desktop icon so that it's going to create this icon on your desktop. You no need to search again and again. Directly you can see that icon on your desktop. Click on next, install. Click on finish. So Visual Studio setup also done. Okay. Now first we need to check whether Python successfully installed or not. Okay. Go to search. Okay. Here search for Python. You can see Python. Ideally you can see this one, but instead of that, if you can directly go to command prompt. Okay. Command prompt. Click on command prompt. Here just give Python space hyphen hyphen version. See, so if the Python not installed on your system, it's going to give not can't recognize Python as internal or external command, something like error it's going to give. But on our system, Python successfully installed and everything is done right. That's why it gave the version that we have currently on our system. So my Python version is Python 3.11.4. Okay. Now let us create one sample program. Okay. For that, first uh, in any folder except from C drive, in D drive or E drive, create one folder. Okay. Just for our Python practice and name it as Python practice. Okay. Open the same one here. Okay. So close it and now just click on file. Here it will you can see lot of options, right? New text file, new window, open file, open folder. Now I am going to open folder. So under E drive, I created one folder called Python practice. Select it and select the folder. Okay. So here this is my folder. Okay. Here you can see click on yes, I trust the authors. Okay. So here click on very first plus option, a new file, create hello.py. So I already told you, if you want to create a Python file, the extension should be py, hello.py. And we saw right one example like print hello world. Let's see how we can do it. Print hello world. Just save it, control save, and click on this run button. It's, it's not able debugging done without. Yeah, you can see the terminal option if you let me maximize it first. Okay, you can see terminal, right? See here, run task, run build task, such options we can see. Just click on run task or else. Okay, wait. Terminal. Okay, open new terminal. Okay, open new terminal. Wait, it will go to the default folder. Yeah. Now it is already in E drive Python practice. Remember guys, so the Python part should be same where your file is located on your system. My file located under E drive, okay, under Python practice folder. If my file in some different path like C drive or E drive, we should change the path. Okay, we should change the path. Now my file under E drive under Python practice. So here give Python space. What is my file name? Hello.py. So see, I got the output hello world. So we should use the command python and then file name. This is how we can run a Python file. And again, if you want to create one more file, click on new file and create the file name sample.py. And you can write the code and you can run this time you python sample.py. So Python is the command and you should use the file name. Whatever the file name is there, give the file name, then it's going to run that file and it's going to produce the output. Okay.